Today, I'm talking about bookkeeping software, which is a fascinating conversation and one I end up having with a lot of different people. So, what bookkeeping software is the best? My answer, in my opinion, right now at this point in time, is that QuickBooks Online is the best in class accounting software. I know there's a lot of people that don't like it, especially if you don't really know what's going on behind the scenes or don't know how the software works. I know there's also a lot of people still loyal to QuickBooks Desktop, but the industry and world in general is kind of moving towards more of a cloud based model. And the app ecosystem and online programs have come a really long way in the past 5 to 10 years. I think the desktop software is going to be obsolete at some point here in the next few years. So, QuickBooks Online, I think, is the best, but that doesn't mean it's the best for everyone. We like using it because we understand accounting and we know all of the bells and whistles that we can use that make our jobs faster and easier. It's kind of like in the graphic design world, a true graphic designer is probably going to want the entire Adobe suite to be able to use all of the function and features. Whereas me, who doesn't know hardly anything about graphic design, I like my little Canva account where I can just click and make the things happen. So, for you, if you're a business owner and doing your books yourself, I don't necessarily recommend that you get QuickBooks. If your business is simple and you're not dealing with payroll taxes or sales tax or inventory or anything that makes your books more complicated, using a simple Excel spreadsheet is probably the easiest way to go. Just download your transactions from your business bank account into an Excel file and categorize them, and then you can sum them up into a pivot table. And you have a nice, neat little report that has all of your business expenses on it. I highly recommend this method if you are just starting out and your business is simple. Because if you try and force yourself to learn QuickBooks Online, there's a lot of accounting that goes on behind the scenes, and it will probably be frustrating and you will probably screw some things up. Every new cleanup that we get, new client that we get starts with a cleanup and fixing things that were done incorrectly because surprise, you don't know accounting, which you're not supposed to know when you're running your business and you haven't studied it. So do yourself a favor and make things easy on yourself until you get to the point where you're ready to hire out your bookkeeping. Hope that this helps, and please reach out if you have any questions.